partly cloudy. The proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service warning alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers, by this system, are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. However, this week it is being conducted on Tuesday in recognition of Severe Weather Preparedness Week and to coincide with the testing of outdoor warning sirens done by many communities in Illinois on the first Tuesday of the month at 10 a.m. At this time, take a moment to practice your severe weather emergency sheltering plan. At the very least, answer this question. Where would I take shelter if a tornado were approaching Maine right now? The best shelters are in a basement or in an interior room on the lowest floor of the building away from windows and exterior doors. It is important to have multiple ways to receive hazardous weather information. Having a battery backup weather alert radio is one of the best ways. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program.